Guys, we get an update. So this is the VJ Marine Boatyard. This is where we're having the work down on the Rosiante. She's still in the lift. Alright, she's got the red bottom paint already on it. We're gonna be adding a second coat to the blue. So, there you go. No more crustaceans on the tiller. There's the keel. Looking good. But there she is. Getting her much needed paint job. So they're gonna add one more coat to the blue and hopefully that will get it taken care of. There she is. So hopefully by next week we'll be back floating again where me and the Rosiante belong on the water. And then next trip is to figure out the sails. We have to find a sail maker. I think we go blue sails. What do you guys think? That'd be different, right? So both solid blue sails. That'd be cool. But, all right, that's gonna be it for now. This is Captain Phil signing off.